Hello guys, how are you? Happy New Year, all my viewers and subscribers. So today I'm came to the new video, restaurant style Peruvian grilled chicken, and also I will show you how to make that the salsa verde. Salsa verde means green sauce. It's very traditional Peruvian grilled chicken with salsa verde or green sauce. It's very delicious. You can also use to the also for any type of crispy chicken, also fish fried, uh, anything fried you can use, also really delicious. So let's start to have a how to make that the Peruvian grilled chicken. Okay.
I take a large whole chicken and I wash already. Now I cut the back side of the chicken and make a butterfly shape. Now I slightly cut the breast part because it's totally open and look like a butterfly. I clean with the some tissue papers and now I cut to the many parts of the chicken. Also, I cut the leg vein part. It's very important to cut the leg vein, and also slightly I cut it the leg parts and also the breast part. When I do the marinade, so all the flavor going to inside and chicken will be absorbed all the flavors. Now I do the marination. So please check the description box I give to the all the recipe. Now I take the ginger garlic paste, soya sauce, white vinegar, lime juice, oil, dark beer. I use the dark beer. If you have no dark beer, you can use the light beer. Here I use the ají panca. Ají panca is a Peruvian red chili. This is the main secret of the grilled chicken, Peruvian grilled chicken. Now I use the cumin powder, coriander powder, oregano, salt and black pepper. All the ingredients very well to mixed. Now I take my butterfly chicken and massage the marinade generously on both sides. The key is to let this marinate for at least 4 hours or better yet overnight for the deep authentic flavor. I resting the hold the chicken inside the fridge overnight. Now I open to grill. But before I have a preheat my oven at least 204 degree Celsius. Do the grill for about 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes because I have a using gas oven, so it's need to have a more time. If you have a use OTG machine, so uh, minimum 15 to 20 minutes per side, basting occasionally marinate for extra flavor. Now chicken will be grilled, and in the moment I can prepare to the ahi bhade salsa or green sauce. So let's see the ingredients of the ahi bhade. So I take the cilantro, fresh cilantro, one jalapeno, and some garlic cloves. So first I take up the skin of the garlic and also cut it the jalapenos and cilantro. Now I put all the ingredients inside the jar and I add the salt and lime juice. I add the vegetable oil. If you want, you can use the olive oil also, no problem. Now I hand grinder to grinding all the ingredients very oily and make a smooth paste. When my paste is ready, so I add the mayonnaise. It's a homemade mayonnaise. Another video I will be upload to the how to make the mayonnaise authentic way. So now I mix with the again with the mixer grinder very oily smoothly creamy paste. This sauce is tangy, creamy, and the perfect companion to our grilled chicken. Now I brushing the chicken with the vegetable oil and ahi panka. So this is very important. Time by time you can add the oil over the chicken, so chicken will be no dry and also the giving the color very well. So ready our restaurant style Peruvian grilled chicken. Wow, this is a burst of flavor in every bite. Try this at home and let me know how it turned out in the comments.
So guys, you watch all the video and you understand that the how to make the grilled chicken in your oven. So I hope you can also try to in your home. And also the salsa birthday, the green sauce, how to make restaurant style, you I think you will be learn. So please try, really it's delicious. So please watch all the video. If you like, please like my videos and subscribe my channel, it's my request. Your likes and your views encourage me to have a more video to do that. So please encourage me and watch the video. Okay.